Hello, I am Manju Thakur and I want to teach you today the lesson Glimpses of India from class 10. Okay, Glimpses of India has three parts. The first part is a baker from Goa, second part is Kurch, the third part is tea from Assam. And today we are going to study the second part of Glimpses of India, that is Kurj. Okay, now let us come to know the details about it, where the location and its different interesting facts about Kurj. Okay, now Kurj is coffee country famous for its rainforests and spices. Where does it lie? Kurj lies between the coastal town of Mangalore and Mysore. It is a very beautiful place like heaven. It is called a heavenly place. It must have come from the kingdom of God. Strong men, beautiful women, and wild creatures live in it. Let us come to know about the weather and environment of Kurj. Kurj or Kodagu also, it is also called Kodagu, is the smallest district of Karnataka. It has evergreen forests, spices and coffee plantations. Many visitors come to it between September and March. The weather is fine then. The air is full of coffee flavor. Now let us come to know about the people of Kurj, origin and other things. The people of Kurj are of Greek or Arabic descent. Okay, the story goes that a part of Alexander's army settled here. Its return became impractical. These people married among the locals. This culture is seen in the martial traditions, marriage, and religious rites. The Arab origin is seen in the long black coat worn by the Kodavus. It can be seen in the picture also in your book. It is known as Kapia. It is like the kafia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. Okay. Now let us come to know about the people of Kurj. Kurji homes have a tradition of hospitality. The people have many tales of bravery. Kurj regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army. General Karyappa, the first army chief, was a Kurj. Even today, Kodavus are the only people in India to carry firearms without a license. This is something very different, isn't it? Something very special. They don't have to carry a license for their firearms. Now let us come to know about the river. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Kurj. Mahesir, a large freshwater fish, abound in these waters. Kingfishers dive. See, look at the scenario, beautiful scenario. Kingfishers, do you know what is kingfisher? Kingfisher, small bright blue bird with a long beak that catches fish in rivers. Very beautiful to look at. Okay. Then, while squirrels, langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants also, you will see, elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by the mahouts. Okay. Then, let us come to the wildlife. The river Kaveri gets its water from Kurj's forests and hills. Mahesir, I have already told you. Then let's come to know about the landscape. Okay, the Brahmagiri hills gives the climber a whole view of Kurj. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre island of Nisargadhama. Buddhist monks from India's Tibetan settlement live in Bailakapi here. One can see them dressed in red, ochre and yellow robes. So these are the very important facts, and you should know about certain words like Tale of Valor. Tale of Valor means the stories of courage and bravery, usually in war. Then, most decorated. What do you mean by here most decorated? Having received the maximum number of awards for bravery in war. Then, what do you mean by laid back? Laid back means really relaxed, not in a hurry. Okay. Then, next thing you come to know the word meanings. Rafting. Rafting is traveling in a river, in a raft, a floating platform made by tying planks together. Canoeing. What do you mean by canoeing? Traveling in a river, in a canoe, a large narrow boat. Rappelling. What do you mean by rappelling? Going down a cliff by sliding down a rope. These are the important terms which have been used in this chapter. Trails. Trails. These are paths created by walking. Panoramic view. What do you mean by panoramic view? A view of a wide area of land is called panoramic view. So I come to the end of the lesson. I hope that you have understood the entire chapter. Now you can make a PowerPoint also using the various interesting places and the wildlife, the location, the dress, everything. You can make a beautiful PowerPoint. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.